guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I have filmed a video. With that being said, I've had quite a bit of life changes. Last week I gave birth to a baby boy. You can follow his Instagram down below, and so yeah, I'm trying to recover as best as I can. I had a cesarean birth and trying to rest and take care of myself while taking care of the baby. It's just been such a really busy week, but I feel so grateful and thankful. It's almost Christmas, my favorite holiday, so I just love December. In California, it's still sunny here, not a white Christmas by any means, but I'm loving it, and I'm loving this new chapter of my life and very grateful for that. What are you grateful for? If you are new to my channel, my name is Tiffany and I post videos on YouTube related to lifestyle, motherhood, pregnancy, and so much more. And I'm a big skincare person. I always think taking care of your skin is super important. You only have one skin, and yeah, I think you really need to try to take care of it. Yeah, I think like you don't want to be in a position where you look back and you're thinking, oh, I wish I took care of my skin a lot better earlier on. Always looking for clean, high quality, but also affordable skincare. I just wanted to sit down and take time to make this video. I think especially now that I'm breastfeeding, it's so important to have skincare that is clean, a really short ingredient list, none of those parabens, those bad stuff. We don't want that in our skin to pass along to the baby. So I'm always looking for great skincare, and I'm so excited to be sharing with you that Public Goods has a new skincare line, which is so exciting. I love Public Goods, and I know I've said this in other videos, but it's super clean and affordable. They sell a wide variety of items on their site, publicgoods.com. And they have, grocery items, household items, pet supplies even. There's just so many things, and they released their new skincare line. So I'm super excited for that. So for today's video, we are doing an unboxing of the Public Goods skincare. As always, consult with your doctor since I'm not providing any medical advice, but I have done some of the research, and for me, I believe these ingredients are safe for breastfeeding. So let's go ahead and take a look at what is inside this box. I just cut this one open. It says it's all good. It's all good, guys. So let's take a look. This is what we're seeing. So the first thing is this cream cleanser. Actually a really good size, and it's actually quite heavy. Typical Public Goods thing, paraben-free, vegan-friendly, sulfate-free, fragrance-free, poultry-free, and phthalate-free. So super clean ingredients, and they tell you all the ingredients. It's like so short with the ingredient list. But yeah, this looks super awesome, and I love the packaging too. All of their packaging has like this white and black, and it looks super sleek in your bathroom. Whenever people come, I always like to just put these items out since it looks so nice and sleek. I love having it all match, so love that packaging. It is sealed, so I am going to be trying that out a little bit later. It also says healthy ingredients with nothing to hide, so I just really like when companies are really transparent about the ingredients that they have. For me as a consumer, I feel a lot better knowing that, they create really high quality products and it's not even that expensive. So yeah, love that. Looks like for the cream cleanser is the kaolin clay. And kaolin clay, from what I know, has a huge cleansing function. So yeah, we want a clean face. Love that. And the price point, this cream cleanser is only $10. So I consider that a steal. Vitamin C serum, let's go open this up. And vitamin C, I believe, is safe for breastfeeding. It has a good weight to it. The daily brightening treatment, that on the back. Oh, okay, so it's a little dropper. That is so neat. Oh, it smells so good. Clean, refreshing scent to it, and it just feels so fresh on my skin. It has like almost like a tingle to it, but like a good kind of tingle. So this is awesome. Vitamin C serum is $13. And honestly, vitamin C serum can be really, really pricey out there. So yeah, it's such a great price point and it just smells so amazing. The next thing we have is this moisturizer. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. We do a little test here. Oh my gosh. Wow, this scent is to die for. It has like this really light floral scent. For this moisturizer, it's $6.50. The scent is just amazing. Just amazing. Putting that on, rubbing it in. Oh yeah, it is super light and buttery. It glides on so smoothly on my hand. It just smells so good. It's like a spa, definitely spa vibes. Yeah, this moisturizer, definitely spa vibes. This is the eye cream and this is the back of the package. Looks like the main ingredient is the hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid is super awesome for retaining moisture. Yeah, I love products that have hyaluronic acid, so I'm super excited to try this eye cream out. I'm always looking for a good eye cream. I've gone through so many different eye creams, still trying to find that perfect one, so this might be it. Also, this eye cream is only $12, so that is super inexpensive compared to so many different brands. Let's go sniff this. Okay, it has the lid there. It doesn't really smell like anything, and I think that's really awesome since that eye area is super sensitive, right? You don't want any harsh smells or scents anywhere. It's super clean and lightweight, very bouncy type of formula, if you know what I mean. So I can't wait to try the eye cream out. Last thing on here is this spa headband. And I love headbands because, you know, gotta keep all that hair out of your face when you're cleansing your skin. Ooh, it has a bow. It's so soft too. Oh my god. You can even wash this, so that's super awesome. Just throw it into the wash with all of your other clothes or towels and I'll be looking fresh and new. So can't wait to use this headband. So that is it for my video today. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of Public Good's new skincare line. And be sure to check them out. They're on publicgoods.com and I'll have my link down below and you can get 15% off your first purchase from Public Goods. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe down below to my channel so you don't miss a next video. And yeah, let me know what products from Public Goods that you are really excited to try. Also, the link for Public Goods, you can use it for their whole site. It doesn't have to be limited to skincare, so feel free to check it out, all of it, and I'll also link my old video that I had made before. So yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye!